Mangamok. Sini mangamok. In the hospital mangamok. Don't want to kiss. Oh, my soup egg. And my tita Rick. Yeah. This is the canteen of the Ripas Hospital. Mia mangamok. Mia mangamok. Sumpong. Okay. I have to eat my soup. I just have my checkup tonight. I got fever. Just arrived from Philippines.